Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use avatar on Instagram. So guys, after creating your avatar, you might be wondering how you can make use of it on Instagram. It's very easy to make use of, and there are actually three ways I know of that you can make use of avatar on Instagram. One is by making use of it as your profile picture. Two is by using it as your story on Instagram, and three is by using it as sticker on Instagram direct message, which I'm going to show you how you can make use of in today's video. So let's start with how to use it as sticker in Instagram direct message. For example, if you click on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen and then select any chat at all right, and then if you want to make use of avatar right here, all you have to do is this: click on this plus icon appearing at the edge of this chat box. Then you find this third icon, which is for sticker. I'm going to click on that, and right here you're going to find this avatar option right here. Click on that, and as you can see right here, there's so many avatar stickers you can make use of right here. So if I choose any of them, it's going to appear as a direct message, you see. So guys, this is one way you can make use of avatar here on Instagram. Another way is by using it as your profile picture. So let's do that right away. Now if I head to my Instagram profile, this is my Instagram profile. If I want to make use of my avatar as my profile picture, I'm just going to have to click on my edit profile button, and then I'll find this change profile option at just below my profile picture. I'll click on that, and then you see this option that says use avatar. It's actually the second to the last option there. Click on that, and here you find your avatar with different facial expressions and the background colors. Now I can choose any facial expression that I want, and I can change the background color to any color I want. Once I'm done with that, once I'm happy with the facial expression and background color, I'm just going to click on the check icon at the top right corner of my screen, and then the avatar is going to be updated as my profile picture here on Instagram. So let's check that out. All right, so as you can see, it has been updated, and I have my avatar as my profile picture right now. Okay, the last one, which is using it in your Instagram story. Now if you want to do that, just click on the plus icon at the top of your screen, select the story option, and then after that, what you have to do is to choose a background image that can be downloaded from Google. I think I have one background color here. All right, so let me make use of this one. All right, now once you choose a background color, it can be created by you using any app or any software, or you can just download the image from Google like I said earlier. Now if you want to make use of the avatar here, you just have to click on this avatar icon, this sticker icon at the top of your screen. Click on that, and if you scroll down just a little bit, you find this avatar option right here. Click on that, and then you find your avatar right here again. You can just go ahead and choose any of them. You can add more than one of these. If you want to make it bold, just pinch it. It's going to be. Now if you want to delete it, you can just hold and drag it to the bottom. You find the option to delete. All right, I don't want to delete it. Okay, so this is how you can make use of your avatar here on Instagram story. So guys, these are 3 ways you can make use of avatar that I know of as your story, on your story, as your profile picture, and in your direct message. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.